Welcome to this week's vlog, and I specifically wanted to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Y'all are amazing. Please comment below. I truly mean it. I love to hear your comments. I want to hear what projects you're working on. I want to know what you're interested in. This week's vlog is a little bit all over the place because it's actually 3 weeks worth of art that I'm just giving you snippets in. CoCovid was a fabulous event, and I filmed 4 videos in a weekend. And that was a lot, and that was a little too much. And I have had 3 weeks of let's do nothing but veg and contemplate my next projects. Good morning from the art room. It is really smoky outside, and I've been having trouble with my asthma, so I'm not getting started as early today as I wanted. But today is a full day of sewing, and I'm going to try to stay on the camera and make sure I get you some really good footage of the art room and the progress. I do think I'm going to work on a corset cover today, and I also need to make breast improvers for my corset because the outline is a little kind of squidgy, and it's all about padding, it's all about the illusion, and we want to get there for that natural form era dress that I'm making. So I will be in touch, and have a good day in the art room. Hey there, guys. It's been a while. I have some things to share. I have this project that I'm working on. I'm really excited about it. As you can see on my dress dummy, I did a bum pad, which I'm really proud of. I've never done a bum pad before. And it's part of a project I'm fondly calling my Frozen project. I'm making a dress. And a 1879 bodice, which I may or may not use because I have already made a bodice that I really like. I purchased an overskirt pattern, which I may or may not use because I want some asymmetry. And I am trying a new corset cover pattern because the corset cover pattern I have from Wearing History, every single time I make it, I have to adapt it. And it still isn't right. It just doesn't fit right. I'm going to be trying out some new patterns. I also got some glass-headed pins because I am finding that my go-to drits that I bought, years ago when I bought them, they were sharp. They really were. And the last batch I bought, half of them aren't even sharp. And it's really a pain in the rear to pin things together with pins that are not sharp that snag on the fabric. So I'm going to try these glass-headed pins and see if they work better. Hi there, I have to show you my corset cover. It actually turned out pretty good. This is my corset cover. She comes up over the corset. I also spent about 5 hours now working on the pattern for the bodice, because I decided after all to use the curious, I don't know how to say it, bodice. But I made a mock-up, which I totally didn't get any pictures of because I was very focused. And I cut out all of the pieces and all of the interlining. And just so you see the fabric choice, I'm using this beautiful diamond fabric. And that beautiful diamond fabric is a queen set of sheets. And I did both the lining, or the interlining, and the fashion fabric out of that fabric. I have all the pieces cut out. I just need to sew them together to make them one piece. And then I will start constructing the bodice. But I have literally been in here since somewhere right around 7:30 this morning, and I have left and eaten once, and that was around 10:30. I'm gonna be done for today. The pieces are just gorgeous. This is the front piece. I really think I'm going to love this. I should probably have done the skirt first, but I was so excited about getting this fabric out. It's also really hot in here. That's why I'm flushed, and I'm just gonna be done sewing at this point. I'm hot, I'm hungry. I need to go sit and veg and watch some of my fellow costubers and their beautiful channels and let my brain rest a little bit. I have been very busy today, so it's time for me to rest. And I think this is actually going to be the end of this week's vlog, because I realized I film and I'm constantly creating, and I didn't realize that I actually have plenty of footage to put out a vlog. It's a week late, but hey there.